Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you shortly on how to deposit money to your BINGX app, right? So before we get started, all I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Right here is your BINGX exchange app, right? This is your home page where you'll be seeing the home right here, the markets, the futures, the sports, and the assets. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to deposit money to your BINGX app. So all you need to do right now is click on your asset right here. Once you click on it, this is what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing deposit, withdraw, transfer, and convert, right? So all of this, you don't have anything to do with that. So right now you're just going to click on deposit right here. Once you click on deposit, now if you look at this point, now this is where it gets interesting. You can choose to either deposit with USDT or ETH, which is Ethereum. You can choose to deposit with TRX, which is Tron, or BTC, or any type of meme coin you want to use in depositing. So right now, for this essence of this video, I'm going to be using USDT as an example. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. Once I click on it, right now this is where it gets interesting too. You have to ask whoever sending the money to your wallet address which network is the person using. Is he using Ethereum network or is he using Tron, BNB Smart Chain? For the essence of this video, I'm going to be clicking on the BNB Smart Chain, and you can see there are minimum depositing here. Right here you can see Ethereum has 1 USDT, minimum of deposit of 1 USDT, you can see right here, and BNB Smart Chain has a minimum of 0.8 USDT. So I'm going to be using BNB Smart Chain for this video, so I'll just go ahead and click on it. Once I click on it, you have to click on get address so you can get your deposit address right here. You click on it. So right here you can see your address right here, and you can see the network right here. You can see your address right here. You can see your address right here. So all you need to do right now is click on this copy icon right here. Once you click on it, you can see it has been successfully copied. Now you can now send to the person sending the money to your wallet address, and once the person sent the money to your wallet address, you'll be seeing your money right here on your asset. So this is the simplest way of depositing money to your BINGX app. Alright, I hope you find this video very helpful, and if you're still watching up to this time, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. And remember, if you don't have an account with BINGX app, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and also get a 10% discount bonus on your first deposit using our referral link down in the description below. And also there will be a free Telegram link in the description below where we share free trade signals every single day. Do well to check it out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.